Hello, this is Shane and Nyla of Skyway Classic Cars doing another YouTube video for you today on our 1997 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am convertible 5-speed manual.
She's a beauty.
Everything that you want in a Trans Am. You got a manual transmission, you got a convertible top, white with white interior. I think this car's got 57,000 original miles. And it's clean inside and out. 5.7 liter V8.
Beautiful interior. As you can see, we do have the top down, and I am going to do a quick video of the top going up. We're just making this video a little quick because it's about to rain here, but absolutely stunning. Just showing you the exterior, interior. Next, we'll start the engine, take it for a ride, and then we'll take a look underneath. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to do a quick little demonstration of the convertible top going up and down. Buttons there on the dash. There she goes.
I'll put it back up.
Up and down. Perfect. Alrighty, here we are in the 97 Trans Am.
This is going to be a fun one to drive. 6-speed manual. Ice cold air.
Yes, and the radio does work.
Try not to burn the tires off.
Yeah, she drives real nice.
This 1997 Trans Am is like brand new. 56,000 miles.
Yep.
All ear gauges are working properly with no dummy lights on. The shifts to the gear is really nice.
Heck yeah.
I'm only in third out of the six gears.
Sure. We'll get it around the corner. Let it go through the gears one more time.
Great. This car is literally drives and feels like it's brand new.
So much fun.
Hey, at the 5th gear, that's about all we're gonna get on this road here without getting a ticket.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Shane. We're gonna spin it around. We'll get it up on the lift and take a look at the undercarriage.